So if you want to change to HFO1234YF, click OK, and then it is asking to change the connector because both the connectors are different and it is available here. It has both the connectors are different. So R134AF connector is this, and if you want to change to HFO1234OF, the connector is here. We need to change the connector totally. Okay. So after exchanging the connector, click OK. So it will evacuate the function to make sure that all the gases of R13A is sucked back to the cylinder, and we can ready to use HFO1234YF gas. So it will take 10 minutes to go with the procedure to make sure all the R134A gases are vacuumed and it was stored inside the system. In order to change from one gas to another, R1234 to HFO1234YF, you may need 10 minutes to vacuum all the gas inside the system. Now we are going into a recovery function. So here you can see the model of cars and car model and everything. So we will have a look on the database. In the database you can see all the model vehicles there. So we will have Kia. So we can see all the models over here, and then we can select one model. So we have selected it. So the details are over here. So we click OK. So now we are in a recovery mode. So we will click OK to proceed to the recovery function. Now we are going in a vacuum function. So here we can also go along with the database, or otherwise we can directly enter the vacuum procedure. Now we can vacuum till 180 minutes to 2 minutes. So mostly we will go 20 minutes for vacuuming, and then leak test function. So once we start executing it, it will start to vacuum. So it started to vacuum for 20 minutes. And then we have charging of gases. So charging back the gas to the vehicle. Here also you can go with the database. Okay, so we have two different mode charging: normal charging, high voltage charging. So we'll go with the normal charging. And then you have hose flush, oil injection function, and charging and discharging function. You can also charge on different mode, like you can charge on high pressure hose, you can charge on low pressure hose, you can charge gas on both HP and LP. So we can select the mode which we need to. And if you have a doubt over here to check the database, you can go over here and check the database again. So after then click OK. So it will start to go with the procedure. And then also you have an auto mode function. So here you can select the mode. Then you just enter the full data over here and select OK, so that the machine will execute all this procedure automatically. It will recover the gas, it will vacuum, it will check the leak, it will inject the oil, it will charge back the gas, and then it will complete all the function automatically. So this is how the machine works. This machine is user friendly and easy operating procedures.